Centuries ago, a beast was locked. To protect humanity from speed and boost. But now, it is time to wake the beast and set it free.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new season of the Fiat Coupe. In this episode we start with an oil change and change the spark plugs. Before we start, let's introduce a new intro. To change the oil we have to jack up the car. Make sure to use jack stand to prevent the car falling onto you. Remove the plastic cover to gain access to the oil sump. Now loosen the sump plug and remove it. Make sure to challenge yourself to not get oil on your hands. While the oil is draining, we can replace the spark plugs. I replace the spark plugs one by one so I don't get confused with the wires. As you can see, the spark plugs really needed to be changed, so let's put in some fresh plugs. Be careful and don't rush this. Put the spark plugs in straight, otherwise you risk damaging the thread. Install a fresh sump plug and tighten it down. Battle the car to let it release its filter. My car didn't really want it to let me change the filter. Eventually, I managed to convince her. Don't forget to grease up the new filter with some oil before you put it back on the car. Time to put in some fresh oil. I use Castrol 5W40. Now that's a wrap for this video. We changed the oil, changed the oil filter and changed the spark plugs. She's ready to hit the road again. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next episode. First, we're going to take her for a drive and make sure to subscribe to see more of the car.